The world of electric cars has changed forever as Tesla reveals a machine that breaks every rule and stuns the entire industry. This is the Tesla Model 2, a car that costs just $10,595 and promises the power and presence of supercar. Elon Musk shared his confidence that this vehicle will reach many cities in the United States before the year ends. He called it more than just a new car. He called it a revolution in the way cars are built. The truth behind this machine goes far deeper than what Musk revealed on stage. Tesla has created something that pushes the boundaries of design and manufacturing, and it is rewriting history. The Model 2 is proof that luxury and performance do not need a luxury price tag. It delivers the looks of a Lamborghini at a price most people never imagined possible. Traditional luxury cars use thousands of small pieces welded and fitted together with great cost and complexity. Tesla changed that completely. The Model 2 is made with only 847 precision parts through advanced unibody construction that uses strong steel and lightweight aluminum alloys. This single decision/production costs from $47,000 to just $3,200 per vehicle. The result is a massive drop in cost that benefits the buyer directly. Tesla also created a folding metal technique called origami engineering, which shapes the body lines with 67% less material than traditional methods. This innovation saves more than $43,000 per car and allows the Model 2 to look like a supercar without the supercar cost. Its aerodynamic shape is even more shocking. Most supercars struggle to get a drag coefficient better than 0.28. The Model 2 reaches an incredible 0.19. This is a result of more than 2 million computer simulations, which perfected the airflow to maximize range and performance. This design adds a value of $9,000 in extra battery capacity without adding any extra cost. Tesla went further by replacing expensive carbon fiber with a special composite material that is 127% stronger than steel and 45% lighter than aluminum. It costs only $11.80 per square foot, and the paint finish has self-healing properties, allowing minor scratches to disappear automatically, a feature normally found only on hypercars, costing hundreds of thousands of dollars. On the factory floor, Tesla changed the rules again. Traditional manufacturers spend hours welding separate panels. Tesla molds entire body sections as one piece. This brings the assembly time down to 12 minutes compared to over 800 minutes for regular luxury vehicles. The precision rate reaches 99.7%. which is far higher than the industry average. Powering this futuristic machine is a dual motor system that delivers performance once thought impossible. At this price, one motor is in the front and one in the rear, giving the car true all-wheel drive and pushing from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.9 seconds. That is faster than cars costing 10 times more. Tesla could have chosen a single motor to save money, but instead it redesigned the motors themselves, cutting costs by 35% while delivering 487 horsepower and intelligent torque distribution. This system adjusts power 2,000 times every second, giving drivers unmatched traction and cornering stability. It reduces skid risk by 40% in wet weather and improves handling by 25% compared to regular setups. With advanced regenerative braking, it recaptures 30% more energy and gives the Model 2 a total range of 434 miles on a single charge. The design is built for strength and long life. By sharing the load between two motors, stress is reduced by 40%. This means less wear, fewer repairs, and a longer lifespan. The dual motor setup also provides a safety net. If one motor fails, the other keeps the car moving, which adds confidence and security for drivers. Imagine pulling into a parking lot in a car that looks like a Lamborghini but costs less than a basic sedan. People stare and whisper as you smile, knowing you made a smart move. This is not just a new car. It is a shift in how we think about cars. Tesla has proven that high performance and beautiful design can be affordable for everyone. This is more than another vehicle launch. This is a turning point in the history of cars, a time when technology, design efficiency, and low cost have come together to create something that changes everything. If the Tesla Model 2 arrived in your city tomorrow, would you be the first in line to get one? The future is here, and it does not wait. Tesla has created a vehicle that gives power, performance, beauty, and intelligence to everyday drivers at a price once thought impossible. It is the beginning of a new chapter in the story of transportation. This is a Tesla Model 2, and it is ready to change the world.